And I also say, yeah. Yay!
Yes, now I'm about Labadi Beach, and I'll say today be my first time in so many years now. I'm really impressed with the change, especially with the main gate. First,
but today we can see that there is Ghana Revenue Authority taking some fee, which we don't really know how come they are.
Okay. Yo. As usual, we take you to places you do not know in the channel. Today has happened to be a holiday, and whenever it is a holiday like this is how we used to do it. We just go out, bring you the exclusive. Hello? And I also say, yeah. Yay! And I also say, yeah. Yay! And now to say, yeah. Okay, so these are some of the things that do happen when you come to the beach with the young ones or the kids, and if you don't take proper care or pay attention to them. These are some of the things that do happen because they have horses. I mean, horse riding, putting that one aside, riding motor, bikes, others are running and stuff. So it is better you take proper care, I mean, for or about the children. That is how the whole thing is. So as you can see, these are the horse riders riding horse. Others are swimming. Others are riding their motorbikes. You should take proper care. Yeah, proper care must be taken because I don't know if it happens in the video. I don't know if this thing happened and it is like that.
Abizitv #1, stay tuned, you know.
Get it, crazy. yeah, they say, get no come from Papa. The machine. No, the machine, Papa. Well, I didn't have a new journey day, yes, over you. And out there, no chairs, and then I come for July holiday. You know, Papa, after the people so back, we're going to bed. You video door, and then you'll walk the video door. And my work on video door. Video door. Oh no, but now we do so. What is that? The other side, no. Everybody will go through. Hold on. Hold on.
I think for years now I'm about Labadi Beach, and I'll say today be my first time in so many years now. I'm really impressed with the change, especially with the main gate. First nanka obeba no ansa na bebrem no kra no nipa dodo a era show we charge you scapu for this anya mani na ni ho is the police and the soldiers na be gina ho and I think say emra yedmo gate no eboa pa and before no so anka na holiday no maybe am gina come nipa be 1 million gina machi but ene because of scapu kwa mo gina nti ama enye obia na se be otimi wram but enye se bia iska no per se but then gate no enti obia ntimi wram keke. I think I'm really happy because and then holiday Labadi Beach by this time when you become for nice, but with the changes on my own gates it's good.
Many Shanano, Debbie Shanano. Ah, Shanano. Panadiano Mano. Aha, Shanano. And yeah, no. Aha. And the holiday will buy no environment me be say, especially from the gate one. But this side more we are no aha.
Oh,
is it?
Siso.
You not come.
The environment is nice.
How about the gates? Have you been here before?
Yes, I've been here before. But today we can see that there is Ghana Revenue Authority taking some fee, which we don't really know how come they are.
Okay, we talked to them yesterday and they were saying at first when you come to the gates there was stampede and rules and proper care are not being taken. So they have taken over for everything so that when you come inside you have security and the taxes or the gate fee will go to the revenue and everything will be under government. So that is why they are there. Why didn't you ask them when you get there?
I asked them.
And what did they say?
They told me that
Revenue authority.
I also see it on their shirt. I realized that Ghana is taking over Labadi Beach. So I also realized that if they are doing something like that, it will generate another income for the government's companies. We really appreciate what they did, but we are upset of that because we know
actually what's happening.
Yeah.
But you didn't bath today.
No. We are not going to bath.
I hear. Alright, thank you very much. Okay, how you go? You not swim and I don't know. The boy there, they actually go there, they know how to play and one. Now I'm fair. We are mature to why? We are mature to why? We are bloody interview. We are bloody interview. But we didn't know here. Hello, where are you? Why? I'm right. Hey, Charlie. And you know your own work. Brother, you try again. Oh, Brian, try again.
background in here.
Okay.
Lights no.
According to source also from Kumasi, Omoba affiliation. And Omo Eba Beach from Kumasi. Kumasi is something new. If you have more for the money, I am going.
We have a lot of places.
A lot of places, and that is it. That is, we take you to places you don't know. A lot of places in Kumasi.
A lot.
Because we talk about some about Okamwana. And the Musha Mobuamo. Mobuamo, honestly, and this. Mobuamo. Okay. What did she have about? They are come with it. A lot of places in Kumasi. Because I remember Kumasi. And about the fun? Rachu Park. I don't know what area. Okay, Rachu Park. Watch out for me. We are coming. Yeah. Okay. Also, beginning no name there cause I you with their cost also it's no a commercial break. You must have labadi beat to be precise. Thank you.